Today's tutorial, how to enhance image quality for better OCR results using C#. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this tutorial on using IronOCR to apply filters on images. Today, we'll explore how to enhance and correct images using IronOCR in C#. I've already installed IronOCR, so let's go ahead and dive into the code. To begin, we need to ensure that our environment is set up with IronOCR. Make sure that you have your license key set up as shown in this code snippet. This is obviously essential for initializing IronOCR and using its capabilities. We start by loading an image file, in this case, sample.jpg, using OCR image input. Then we apply a Sharpen filter to enhance the image clarity. This helps in improving the definition of edges and details within the image, which is crucial for accurate text recognition. Next, we apply an enhanced resolution filter, and this filter optimizes the image for higher clarity and resolution, which can make text and smaller details more readable during OCR processing. We then apply a denoise filter to reduce unwanted noise and artifacts, which can interfere with OCR accuracy. This filter helps in cleaning up images for clear text extraction. Additionally, we demonstrate applying Dilate and Erode filters. These morphological filters are useful for adjusting the size and shape of objects in the image, further refining the image quality for OCR purposes. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. By running these filters sequentially on the image and saving the results, we can observe significant improvements in image quality. You can see the output images showing the difference in clarity and how these filters enhance the images for better readability. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. To get started with Iron Software, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site. Continue, download, and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.